One of the first things you'll want to do is create a module. Think of a module as just a main header that you could store anything you want under it, and really is kind of just the way you organize your course or your material. So for instance, I'm creating this course about learning Canvas. So my first module will be just about the basics or whatever. So you'll just do add a module. Maybe let's call it Unit 1 just to help organize it. And we'll just say Canvas Basics. And I add the module. So this is just like a header. See how there's an arrow here? There's nothing underneath it, though. We haven't created anything. This button is how you would publish it. So if it looks like this, then no students can see anything inside of it or do anything with it. If you click on Publish, the item itself, the module, becomes public and the items underneath it. You can unpublish it. Here, the three dots give you some options about editing the name of it, moving content around, up or down the list, deleting the module, or duplicating it. In this case, just to kind of show you, well, let's make another module just to show you here what will happen. Unit 2, let's just say adding content to a module. I don't know if that's going to be our Unit 2, but let's just say it is. Maybe one last thing I'll just show you is what content looks like underneath it. Don't worry about this process. This will be something I'll show on another video, but let me just quickly go add some content. Let's add a new page, and we're going to call it Video for Our First Course. And I'm going to go in there and just quickly do an edit. Don't worry about what I'm doing, just relax. But just to show you something that can happen, I'm going to add a little video here, put in an embed code. I'm going to center it out. And for instance, here's my little page that I've added. Let me go back to my module view here. And now notice that I have a title. If I wanted it to kind of hide, I could do that. And it doesn't really hide it, it just closes it up. Again, it's not published, but this is a page that's now a part of that. And a student could click on this and then click on that video and watch that starter video. So this is the idea of modules. It's basically a way to organize your course. So maybe before you start, you want to do a little bit of thinking about, what am I going to add? What things would I want to do? And in a future video, I'll show you how to add all those other cool things underneath it.